Good morning, traders. David with Alexander Trade and Investment Group. 3 minutes and 44 seconds until cash open. Hopefully, you guys are seeing my screen IWM. At the moment, I don't have a clear direction. So this may be one of those days where we don't play the first five. I am, I had an idea of possibly selling because of the negative international trade in goods report. You can see we've added to the deficit and we are well below the zero mark and below prior report as well. Again, prior is white, current is the yellowish, goldish color. So that's the catalyst, in my opinion, to sell the market today. But in the in the charts, we're starting to fall down a little earlier. Actually, we're inside of the value of yesterday, but we could be dropping it. I do see in a up into the 225s, down to the high 224s. There is some activity up here, but we're far from that at the current moment. There is a two distribution buy up here, and one here. So I have both of those here, there, and there to buy up. So even though the news is negative, it's still an area where price looks to potentially buy. We can see for the last couple of days, December 24th and again on the 26th, value and price has risen. So the thought or the question is, do we continue to buy up in value and in price? Or do we, is this an area where we can drop? We're still in or we're close to where we were before now. We were in this area of the 18th where we had that massive sell-off. And I believe that was Fed Day, if I'm not mistaken. We tested it yesterday with the close of roughly 225.59, and now we're tumbling down. I will want to see some kind of push up first if we were to sell, but that's not happening at the moment. We're coming close to the value low of yesterday, and again, that single print one and single print two there. So the idea of we could potentially buy up in value and in price is there. I can't necessarily say I like it, um, but it's there. It is there. And as we continue to fall with 39 seconds until cash open, we may play the buy. I got 225 calls ready to go. It's pretty expensive, but that will change at open. VIX is at 15.87, so it's not bad. Just not 100% sure if I like to buy. It makes sense. It is making sense with the past 2 days. So I do have that on deck. Whether I like it or not is the question. 5 seconds until cash open. Let's just let it let it take us there. All right, so we are open. We're pushing down. I didn't get my orders 100% ready, so let me do that as we're not ready to even do anything yet. All right, all set. All right, so we have this initial push. This is a buyer's candle right now. That's 70,000 on that candle. No volume, no anything here. All right, so prices are good, 46 cents per contract. What may happen, which I think may happen, is that we may push up into that area where I think we may sell. And that may be a good opportunity. So we are, there's a big, there's a big volume, 80,000 in buyers, 190 in volume. I'm not ready to pull the trigger on the buy. I got 225 calls. It looks like that may be what the play is going to be. So I got to follow it, right? So we've seen the last couple of days, they bought up in value and in price. This is a buyer's candle. Okay. I'm in at 49 cents per contract. Could have gotten a little sooner than that. I may take five off the table just because. Oh, okay. Never mind. Okay, 49 cent was the entry, 59 cent is the half. Okay, I got the half, 59 cent. 69 will be the full goal. I'm moving my stop to capture commissions. 62 right now. Oh, VWAP. I should take it all there. Shit. I'm gonna move my stop a little bit more to capture more profit. All right, so I moved it from 51 to now 56 just to capture more profit. Does look like that's a good move. It looked like that is a good move. Okay. And I am out. So I didn't get the full goal, and it looked like it may still give it to me too. But I got half. 49 cent was my entry. Let me write this stuff down. I normally write everything down, but that was moving kind of fast. 49 cent, 59 cent was the half. Almost got 69. And then I saw the VWAP. That's the first sign of resistance. And I should have really got in here, right? The daily value low. Seeing that rejection, I should have hit the profit there. That would have gave me a full goal. Not the best execution, and it looks like it's trying to go. Another day of half like yesterday. Yesterday wasn't the best execution. Today the same. I should have got in around here, the value low. My thinking is that because we went up in value and in price yesterday and the day before the 24th, that the question now is, will we continue to raise prices on IWM and value? The opportunity was there. I really honestly liked the buy better because of the news, but you can't deny what the receipts are. All right, so now it's pushing, it's 50, it's back to 59. So now back to half. No, now 60. And I wonder if this would give me full goal. Now, again, I want to get 20, but I will always protect the money that I've made versus anything else. Because at least I made some money and I'm consistent. That keeps me consistent instead of being greedy and holding out and never taking any profit. So that push would have gave us 66. So not quite a full goal. And again, I got in a little late. I got in up in here when I should have, now thinking about it, I should have executed here. I always talk about shooting the ball like Steph Curry. You know when it's a good shot. Doesn't mean it's going to get in or go in, but you know by feel, by touch when you shoot it, if you have a good chance for it to go in. And that my shot was a little off there. I got in here. Mechanics, I should have got it in here. Right. That little push. I still like the sell. I'm a little partial to the sell. I didn't fall in love with it because of what I'm seeing in real time. You can't deny what you see, right? You can't ignore it. I mean, again, value and price, 24th and the 26th will go going up. So the question is, a serious question you need to ask yourself is, will value and price continue to rise? Is there an opportunity where they can do it? I was really looking for these two distribution single prints here, but then you can't deny a reaction from value low as well. And then hit that VWAP. That's the first sign of resistance, in my opinion. Trying to get this thing so we can see it properly. All right, that's good. That's a lot better. VIX has exploded up to 16.21 from well, not too much. 15.95 is the open. So yeah, see, this is a perfect example of why I take money off the table at half and then I move my stop to protect it. Right. And I got IWM actually gave me 15 cent. I should have took the 15. That VWAP would gave me the 15-cent profit, and I just didn't take it. I didn't take it all. I didn't take it all. So bad execution, not the best. I don't say bad, not the best execution on this buy up. And I was again more partial to the sell because of the report. I just didn't like where we would take a sell from. Right. So the market is selling off here or trying to go. We're definitely green or red on the day. I'm sorry. Haven't made a new low yet, but we are definitely red on the day. I don't necessarily like where they're selling off. I mean, it doesn't really mean that they follow what I like, but personally, I don't like, and we almost got to this distribution, right? Almost POC distribution, where I would think maybe because I think that equals up to, yeah, the value low of the 18th for that huge sell off we had on Fed Day. So that made a lot of sense. That was confluence for me. We're kind of sort of there. We didn't quite make there. Now, if price would have went up into the POC and then dropped, then I probably would have took a second opportunity, maybe this time to sell it off like I was originally planning on doing. But we didn't quite get there. And I know price is not perfect and we're not even done. It looks like we may push. Um, but you can't deny reports. I mean, you can't, I'm sorry, not reports, what you see on the chart. You can't deny what has been done in the past and what's currently happening now. So that buy gave me half gold. I should have took 15 cent right there. I mean, that's gonna burn me for the rest of the day. I know it. So I left some money on the table. And what I didn't do was make sure that I didn't have any working orders, which doesn't look like I do, but I always want to double check. Yep, no working orders. So I'm all set. And that right there, yeah, that's gonna burn me. I should have took 15. It's back up to it's up to well, it was 60 now, it's 58. And that's the 225 calls I played. Because calls you gotta to I guess I play slightly out the money. So for calls, you gotta play the price higher than the current price, and then puts you can play the actual price. I'm gonna have to cut this short because I want to say goodbye to my wife and children who are going on vacation for the weekend. As always, guys, I hope you have learned something and found value in this video. I hope you learn how to trade the market correctly through these videos. I show and talk trading to a lot of people who have found value. So I just want to, hopefully that is spreading through the YouTube channel, understanding market profile, order flow, and the importance of using these tools rather than plain candlesticks and indicators, moving averages, RSI, stuff like that. Until next time, guys, have a great weekend. I will talk to you guys soon. I may do a video this weekend. I believe I will to just get set up for the week ahead. I know Wednesday is going to be January 1st, so we'll be setting up for the new month. So we may do something around then. I mean, I may wait till Wednesday so we can do a setup for the weekend and the month as well. Or I may just do two. I'm not sure. All right. Have a great weekend, guys. We'll talk to you soon. Hopefully this pushes up. Um, I'm gonna keep watching it. Hopefully by the time I say my goodbyes, I come back to it and maybe we may have an opportunity to sell. Have a great weekend. Talk to you soon.